house, guys.
I stir, but I do everything till everything done.
Yeah, I did for your birthday party, me did go. Yeah.
Oh, yes, so for breadfruit. And this is just 4 breadfruit.
That have for them when they come?
For mommy carry back up. Or is he bring up some breadfruit from Portland? Look at the space. So this is a little tea station here. I want you to take off all of this.
Belly full.
We have to
everything.
As you say, pieces are there. So
We want some treated.
so like them they would have want.
To take me over, looking for a guy to pull me over. Oh, Nana, what's my name? Oh, Nana, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? You got me. Everywhere, got me. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? I heard it good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know where the mouth. The square root of 6 and 9 is 8 something, right? Let's work it out. Good weed, white wine. I come alive in the night time. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only baby advance radio. Let it say. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the challenge and finish, girl. The things around me. Boy, you know you rock me. Every night. With every word you whisper and every enter, I will let you in. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be. My mother just come shut me up. Let me show you the way I cook. Anyways, this is some tripe and bean, curry tripe and bean. Yeah. Over here we have some peel, pineapple peel that we're going to use to make some juice, blend up and make juice. So come here, lift up the hot pot cover with banana alone. Yeah, 1 pot with white rice, well a 2 pot with white rice. Cause today is Sunday, but tomorrow Monday our Independence Day, so tomorrow the big cooking. Yeah, this is just little cooking. And then this is some curry chicken for the children and other people, you know. Tripe on them something there. I'm also they cook some pigtail too. So now I'm gonna just pack up them plate here and get some other things done while I enjoy the music, so you can go and watch me again enjoy my music. I want you to be. I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Love, love, love. I want your love. Love, love, love. I want your love. I want free mind. Woo! Like a virgin. I love dish too. Me just soon if me drop. Just soon. Good morning again, guys. It's another morning. So me and my daughter is in the kitchen. She's going to blend up some coconut. Yes, so me I teach her how to do them like something here. She love the kitchen already, you know. Yeah, she want me to be executive chef. Yeah, so you can't do egg omelette better than her. Let me tell you that. She do one of the best egg omelette. Never gonna do a video with that. Yeah, but right now she's learning how to blend coconut. Yes, so me I show her 2 little things. The first time she had it, she was so excited anyway. So yeah, you'll also see me preparing some stuff for dinner. I had seasoned some meat and so already for today. Today we'll be doing oxtail and chicken and some more pig foot and pigtail. Yeah, so hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Yeah, go and enjoy it. My dear. show that. Show. Let me show that thing. Show that thing like that before I turn it over. And rinse it. Go ahead. Let's wash out. So the pressure in. Cover from the blender, the clear part.
Yeah, I would have just dropped right here.
Yes, Natalia?
Mel them come.
So Ronnie, then come with the stuff then? Yes. Wash out them.
I just realized
Wash out them now.
I am in yesterday.
From last week, so we did the big firelight.
But it never went down.
Yes.
Come on, say away. I'll up it. Auntie Renee, how would I smell it? Dad.
Smoke.
No, Dad, that's not.
Where's Coral?
Mommy. Storeroom. Mommy. Storeroom.
Mommy, you didn't care, you know. I don't want to do Yes, Nana. That's not enough soap.
Mommy, this don't come like no soap. Actually, too much on that don't do soap. Stop it! Tia, can't get that. Yeah, actually.
Huh? What you say? The key when the man is so nice storeroom this so.
Yeah, I've been saying I could now.
Half an hour. Half an hour.
I got to take out everything.
Half an hour?
What's going on then?
Renee, now tell us stop playing with that. Don't worry. It will be cut out. I don't want to see no ugly face in my video either. Huh?
First time at my father. Renee that's your from weekend, Joe. And it's like a season then. Where do you cookie go? And we can't teach someone to talk.
Mom! Woo! How many do you want to catch a pot? You look bad.
Well, tomorrow I'll pull it out.
No, you pull it out today, let me see.
No.
Having in an argument with
When you
you.
want water in the pan.
I nobody has called me.
I'm good. Mom pull it out, I promise.
Today.
Mommy, no.
Renee, so they turn on the plate them in I sink. I make sure like a but I sit there because I turn a light bill.
Tell them say me don't want no plate turn on nice thing.
You want more water?
Renee!
And then turn that pressure cooker up.
Yeah, when they get ready to pull it. In the water, that more the water.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I